Hey, what's going on YouTube? I'm back. I think I said in a previous video that I was going to have my exhaust ordered. Well, that came in today, and I'm just going to give you a quick video on me installing the exhaust. Another how I do it, not how to do it. But we're going to give you a before and after of how it sounds, the factory sound, and then with the Magnaflow Mobster exhaust. Without further ado, I'll see you in a second. All right, guys, this is going to be a cold start of the factory exhaust. All right, guys, that concludes the factory exhaust cold start. I'm gonna let it cool down, and I am going to start installing the Magnaflow Mobster exhaust. All right, guys, this is the Magnaflow Mobster slip-on for the soft tails and black finish. There's your part numbers if you're interested in getting this exhaust. They got it packaged in a fairly small box. I was surprised, but anyway, let's see what we got here. That's the hardware and everything you need to install. Probably some minor instructions. And there's the exhaust. Oh man, they're heavy. But they are a beaut. They're black. On the inside, they have like a die cut finish, and they're slant, and you can turn the ends to face however you want at whatever angle. So anyway, without further ado, I am going to get these out of the package, and I'm going to get those factory babies off because they are ugly and quiet. And we are going to get this project underway. All right, guys, so far I found out that I need a 3/16 Allen key to get the 2 bolts from below the exhaust off. I've already started everything. You also need a T27 Torx. That's to get the 2 bolts from the shield off. On both sides, you need a flathead screwdriver, and that's basically to get the band clamp off from the top. And I haven't figured out this top nut yet, but this is a 14. It's not working, so I'm gonna assume that that's a 15 or a 16 nut at the top that you gotta use to get that off. Once you do all that, everything should just slide right out. So what I'm gonna do is get a time-lapse video of me doing this, and we're gonna go from there. Alright guys, it's gotten late. That was in no sense easy. Wasn't very hard, but it wasn't easy to get that exhaust on there. I basically kind of started with the top muffler and worked my way down. I think I put the top muffler on, then put the exhaust cover on, and then started working on this one. I was trying to figure out how I was going to get these clamps on because they were facing both down, and on the factory one faces up and one faces down. But I guess that was okay with both of them facing down. But anyway, let's get a cold start with the new exhaust on. I'm going to need my fob. And as you can see, they didn't utilize the exhaust. I guess these would be shields. They used to go right there. They didn't use those when installing the Magnaflow. Here we go. That right there is a complete difference. Oh my God, it sounds like a real Harley now. Those factory mufflers was not doing that M8 any justice. I mean, it's like a deep growl now, and I like it. I love it. But it's starting to get late. I don't want to piss off my neighbors, but we're going to crank this thing up one more time. Know the perfect exhaust on a Fat Ball 114. This is it. This is it. Look at that. It even looks amazing.